Alphas! What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. I'm excited. We're finally gonna get to checking out Is This Love and In the Rain center stage view. So I'm so excited. I am so excited, man. I cannot wait to check these out. I've had them up on the browser for a few days. Well, for a little while. Just haven't been able to get to them. My my little buddy, my little Snorosaurus, my little meatball passed away yesterday, so I've been dealing with that for like the last week or so. But yeah, I'm super excited. I need a pick me up. I need a pick me up, and what better than to sit down and just relax to some XG and vibe out with some XG and get hype with some XG. Y'all with me? I hope you guys are. But yeah, you know what to do. I don't know how many times I got to tell you. You haven't watched this for yourself, go watch it for yourself, go love it for yourself, go enjoy it for yourself. And the most important thing, go show XG all the love. Show them nothing but love because they deserve it 100%. Okay? But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Come along for the ride. All right, so up first is This Love? Okay. I'm excited for this. I'm excited for this. Oh, I love that. Hey! Hey! Nah, Hina. Hey! Hey! Yo! Too damn cute! Yo! Wait, what happened to the rose? Did she throw it? Did she toss it? She did. Stop. You know, listen, I'm telling you, XG, their performances are on a whole different like level, right? Like it is crazy the way that our girls utilize the whole aspect of the stage, right? And like the different shots, the different angles, the transitions that we go from one point to another point, right? Like no wasted movements, no nothing. Like it's just so gorgeous to watch. Like Hey. Hey, Coco. Hey. Oh, stop. Oh my God, that glass is so clean. Oh my gosh, we got another one. We got multiple. Oh, I didn't even, this whole time, I've just been caught up with them. I didn't even notice there was a whole vase, like, cup on each side with roses in it, dude. I'm like, bro, yo, they doing some magic trick, just popping roses out of nowhere. Like, yeah. Oh. I love this song. love this performance. It's so damn cute. Like, stop. So cute. Woo! It looks so amazing too. Oh shit! Damn! Oh, we about to break it. Hey. Okay. Hey. This dance break is... Yo, this dance break is heat. It's heat. Hey. They're so damn smooth. Like, they're so damn smooth with it, too. Like, just look at the footwork. Da, da, da. Ah. Ah. Okay, Coco. Ooh. Nah, Coco out there doing the spin while everyone... Yo, it's like... Yeah, Coco out there with the spin. And they all do their... Nah. And then Coco's final pose at the end. Yo! Yo! Oh, this like that fade out was fire too. My goodness. Nah, that was fun. Oh my gosh, I needed that. I needed that. I needed that. Oh! Ah! Man. Yeah, no, I needed that. It was so gorgeous to watch. So gorgeous to watch. Again, like, I love XG's, like, I'm telling you, man, it's just immaculate. All right, now we're gonna be checking out In the Rain at Melbourne, the first tile, front row. So yeah, you know what to do. Again, go show XG all the love, show them nothing but love, because they deserve it 100%. And if you haven't watched this for yourself, go watch it. All right, let's go. Oh, okay. First off, look, I wouldn't put it past XG to have a stage up like with actual water drop. I thought there was actual water. I'm not even gonna lie. That screen right there actually got me. But yo, this is gonna be crazy. We got the double umbrellas. This is gonna go hard. Did she just wait? Hina, I love it. Dust it off, yep. Little hippity hop right there. Oh, you know, you're too cute. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Hit us with it.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, then it started,
yeah! Yo, that I knew that, yo, that buildup. Listen, that emotional buildup to this moment right here, I could feel it. I could feel it hitting me in the face, like just like about a wave, just about to smack me right in the jaw right here. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah. Ah, look at that. Oh my God. Whole ass different level. Mm. Okay, 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 okay. Oh. Oh Okay, Maya, hold on. Timeout, Keeney's Maya, timeout, timeout. Ah, the stage presence with that, the attitude, the swag, yo, Harvey, chill, Harvey. Shouldn't have to slay everyone out right there. Nope, that I love that. This is my favorite part. God. Oh my God. Nah, heck. That duo right there, that combo right here, this duo combo right here. Yeah. That tick ripple right there, gorgeous. Woo! Did she say? Yeah. In the rain. Yo. Again, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, dancing with a prop has to be one of the hardest things to do, right? And again, I love the theatrics that we get with this performance in itself, right? Like we started open, the umbrellas are open, super quiet, like just setting the mood, right? And then even with the flip of the tails of the jacket, you know, throughout the choreography, we get that, right? The shoulder flip backs too as well. And then they just want to go in and add tossing the umbrellas to each other and tossing them on, like, yeah. Like this was so damn good. I'm telling you, these two performances were fire. Like XG is on a whole different level, man. XG is on a whole different level. Ah, man. I wish Coachella was a bit more handicap accessible. I really do, because I don't have my leg yet. I don't have my fake leg yet, and it's man, damn it. Like, look at, dude, I'm telling you, they give me with that rain. They give me with this rain right here. They give me with this rain right here. Like, I legit thought it was about to start raining again. Like, we got that at the beginning, and I'm telling you, I wouldn't put it past XG to like have a whole stage set up to where water is dripping down and they're like dancing in the rain type. Like, I wouldn't put it past them, man. I wouldn't. But yeah, no, this was crazy. This was wild. Both these performances were stellar. Both these performances were stellar. Damn. All right, that's gonna be it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Again, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Go show XG all the love. Show them nothing but love because they deserve it 100%. Okay? And y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Y'all take it easy. I love you. Peace.